Hey, so I'm really glad you showed me the genetic test report, and I totally get why you're feeling a little overwhelmed. Seeing that you're predisposed to type 2 diabetes can definitely be alarming, especially when you feel like you already take care of yourself and avoid sugary foods. Um, but let's slow down, break it down a little bit. When a report says you're genetically predisposed, it just means that based on your DNA, you might have a slightly higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes compared to someone who doesn't have the same genes. It doesn't mean that you have the disease, and it doesn't mean that you're guaranteed to get it at all. Type 2 diabetes is a condition where your body either doesn't use insulin well or doesn't make enough of it. Insulin is the hormone that helps move sugar from the blood into your cells so that your body can use it for energy. When insulin isn't working right, sugar builds up in the blood, and that can lead to health problems over time. And here's a common myth: it's not just about eating sugar. People think that eating sweets causes diabetes, but really it's a combination of things. Some of those things are your genetics, your lifestyle, your weight, your activity level or lack thereof, stress, and sleeping patterns. So even if you're not eating a lot of sugar, other factors might be quietly raising your risk. The awesome part, you have so much power in this area. Just because you have the genes doesn't mean that the outcome is set in stone. In fact, there's a major study called the Diabetes Prevention Program um, that found lifestyle changes like losing just like 5 to 7% of your body weight and getting regular physical activity cut the risk of developing diabetes by over 50%, even for people with high genetic risk. Things that like moving your body most days of the week, eating more fiber and fewer processed carbs, sleeping well, and finding ways to reduce stress can all make a big impact. It's not about being perfect, it's about building habits that support your body's ability to handle blood sugar well. Also, these at-home genetic tests can be helpful, but they don't always tell the whole story. They might highlight certain gene markers, but they don't look at everything. And they definitely don't replace advice from your doctor. If you ever feel unsure or want a clearer picture, I'd suggest bringing the report to your healthcare provider or asking for a referral to a genetic counselor. They can help explain what it means for you and what next steps are most helpful. So really don't panic. This isn't bad news. It's just information. You're actually ahead of the curve because now you know what to look out for and you have the chances to make choices that keep you healthy long term. And of course, I'll help however I can. Thank you.